Hi guys, so today's video, I'm going to be very real with you people. I'm going to show you a lot of things I do to optimize my video properly for search, for visibility, for engagement, for everything basically. And I'm going to be using my phone for this tutorial, so just follow up. Just be checking everything right as I'm doing it. Let's dive right into this video.
So I'm going to be teaching you how to customize your channel today, okay? Customizing your channel means branding your channel, making it look professional, okay? So like as usual, next thing we'll do is go to Chrome and go to your YouTube dashboard. Okay, just search for YouTube dashboard. If you have been watching my videos, you know this procedure already. Click on this first one. Now wait for it to redirect you to the desktop site, okay? That's if you're using a phone. But if you're using a laptop, you can just type YouTube dashboard and it will open directly. If you're using a phone, you need the desktop site. So that's why we're doing all of this. Yeah, so now that it's opened, this is my channel. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on this button. Are you seeing this? After this button that looks like magic wand, it's called the customization button, okay? That's the button you click on. Let me click on this place so I can see it. I click on these three dotted lines and then it showed all of the names. So this button after the end section, this is customization. Just click on it. Okay. Click on it and wait for it to load. It's opened, as you can see. You see this place, it says profile. Mine is fully set up already. So what I'll just explain everything to you according to how I did it. Okay. For this banner image, are you seeing my banner image right here? It's saying change or removed. I don't want to change or remove it, but I'm just going to explain to you guys. I actually designed this using the Canva application. If you don't know how to use the Canva app, or if you want me to actually show you how I did this, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll do another video on how you can design it. But this template was gotten from the Canva app. All I did was just edit and put my name. Okay, I just put my name and my picture. That's why you're seeing it here. So if you go through my channel, you will see that this is actually my cover photo. And the reason why I like Canva a lot is because the template they will provide for you is according to how YouTube aspect ratio is, because your banner image should not be too big so that it can show in a phone. If you check my channel now, I actually positioned it, everything I wrote on it, my name, what I do, and subscribe button is showing both on the phone, on an iPad, and on a laptop. So that's how to do a banner image, something small that can show in that three dimensions of screen. You know, phone, iPad, and laptop have different screen sizes, so you have to do it in a way that it can actually show in three of them. So that's for that. Then in this picture, this is my profile picture. So if you don't have any of this in your own, you can as well go ahead and be setting it up. That's what I'm showing you. So this is my profile picture. I just put a preferable picture that I like on it, so you can do the same. Then this is my name, which I already know, Joy Boy. Then the handle name is also my name. Okay, I just like to use my name. So you can use your name, you can use your nickname, you can use whatever name that you want, but make sure it's a name that follows YouTube guidelines, okay? And then this is the description. This is how you brand your channel. Please be very attentive, because this is the first thing everybody sees when they come to your channel. So you see this first line. I said, in this channel, I share tips and strategies on how to grow YouTube channel successfully. So if you look at this first line is what is showing in your channel. And that first line matters a lot, just like the way your first 10 seconds in every video you create here on YouTube actually matters a lot, because whatever you say in that first 10 seconds is what will actually keep your audience to watch that video or to skip that video. So you see this first line, I actually already brought out exactly what I'm doing with this channel. Do you understand? This is outlined already. I said in this channel, I share tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel. That alone has told everybody what I do. And then before they now click on more, I see other things I wrote. I said I share step-by-step video editing tutorials and I post new videos every day. So whether you are here to learn or to rank up your videos or monetize your channel, my videos are designed to help you achieve your goals. Please subscribe now. So this is your description, and you do your description, you write your description according to what your channel is all about. Do you understand? According to your kind of content, your niche, whatever it is you are posting, that's exactly what your description of your channel should be about. So make sure you put your description. Some people don't have description in their channel and it's not really good. Then you see this place that says channel URL. This one is just your link to your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to copy it, you see this mark here, that's how you copy it. And if you want to share it to somebody, you can certainly share it to somebody and say, yeah, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, that's it. They don't want to search for your name directly. Okay, so that's for that. Then you see this place, it says links. This place is for external sites. Probably you have a Facebook page or you have a TikTok account, an Instagram account that you want people to actually follow. Do you understand? You can link it to your YouTube using this particular place. So that's why when you go to people's channel, you see them having other links. This is how they actually add it. Do you understand? This is how they add it to their channel, thereby getting markets or getting subscribers or marketing their other links through their YouTube channel. Do you understand? So this is it. So people, they put Facebook. I will soon put I have a Facebook page that I'll put here, but I want to hold on while I've resumed posting, then I'll now link it here so that while you're checking my YouTube, you can as well be seeing me on Facebook. So if you have any other social media presence, you can as well put it here. Just copy the link from that website and come and post it or paste it here rather. Do you understand? So that's what that. Then if you have contact info, email, you can put your email. But please, this place is very sensitive. Don't put the email you used to open your YouTube channel. I've always said it continuously in all of my videos. Your email you use in opening your YouTube channel should be very, very secret. Keep it somewhere very safe, okay? Because if you expose it, you are exposing your channel to hackers and scammers. So please don't use your channel email. You can use another email like a secondary email. Your primary email should be your YouTube channel email, should be locked up somewhere. Just store it, keep the password somewhere that you can easily remember or get access to it. Okay, so put your email. If you want to add your phone number, maybe like your WhatsApp number, your WhatsApp channel, you can as well still add it here, okay, in your contact info or in your links. So that's for that. Then lastly, this one is the video watermark. A lot of people that have been watching my video, you must have seen this particular YouTube logo inside my videos, right? Whether you've been watching it with your phone or with your PC, you will see this particular mark in my videos. This is called the YouTube watermark. This mark is actually my personal watermark for my videos. It simplifies that this video belongs to me. Do you understand? So even if anybody takes it, YouTube already knows that this video belongs to me. And if you click on this particular watermark, it will take you directly to my channel. Okay, and then it will show you to subscribe. It can actually direct you back to the subscribe button in my channel. As for this watermark, you don't necessarily need to design anything, although I designed this particular one with Canva as well. If you want me to post a video about that, you can as well drop it and I'll make a video of how I did all of these things. I actually customized my channel when I created this channel, even before I started posting. Okay, these were the things I was doing before posting videos. So I design this with the Canva app. If you don't need to design, but if you want to design, if you like that, you can design with your Canva app. Just click on YouTube thumbnail, and then from there you just go ahead and design. If you want to do that, you can actually leave it in the comment section. So you can use your picture as well. You can use your cover photo. You can use your profile picture, the same you're using on your YouTube already. And then you see this part, it says display time. You see end of video, it says custom start time. Please always make sure to limit at this entire video. That is the third option. Okay, click on the entire video and save it. So this is how you fully customize your channel. When your channel is, when you feed out all of these columns in your channel, then your channel is ready, is professional ready. You are fully customize it, and please, you should customize it, but it makes it look professional and it makes you searchable, makes your channel searchable. Do you understand? And lastly, when you're done saving it, please click on publish. You see this publish, please click on publish so that it will save, because if you don't click on publish, it will go back, all the settings will reset. So guys, thank you for watching to this point. I really appreciate all my returning subscribers, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.